Assalamu alaikum. Now we will talk about the new customer portal, how to register in the new customer portal, or how to migrate or create a new account in the new customer portal. So simply, if you open the new customer portal, he will ask you to register or migrate. So if you have already a customer portal account, then you need to click register or migrate button, and then you can enter your email address, and it will send you an email through this registered mail, and you have to accept the invitation. And once you accept the invitation, it will direct you to a new page. But if you don't have an account and if the user doesn't exist, there is an email with a further instruction and complete registration link will be sent, and you should follow the same procedure as for already existing users. Then after accepting the invitation, we will return back to the procedure. You will receive this page. You will open this page directly, and here you have to accept the permission requested by OMICRON Electronics. After accepting the invitation, now the action is successful and your account has been successfully activated. So you can sign in with SSO. Then you can enter your email address and enter your password. Now, after entering the correct password, you should confirm and you should accept the terms and the condition, as you can read it before, and then you can accept, click submit. Here is the introduction. Hello and welcome to our customer portal, and please complete these steps to get started. First step is to update the profile. Second step is to manage the subscription, and third step is to watch how to how to deal with the new customer portal as a video, giving you some instructions how to find the software, how to use the main feature, how to access the calibration certificate and documents related to your product, and so on. Then you have to click next. After you click next, you should review the personal information, and also you should review the functions required. As you can see here, the department, the management level, the mobile number, and so on. Then you can click next. After you click next, you can manage the subscription. You can select or unselect any kind of product you don't interest in, like event information, training information, and so on. Then you have to click yes, and also you can select the application you are interested in here, like protection relay, reclosure, generator and motor, IEC 61850, and so on. And here is the general subscription for the OMICRON e-news and greetings and so on, and any postal mailings. Then you can select next. After you select next, it will show you how to deal with the new customer portal. We can open it.
Hello, and welcome to our new customer portal. In this short video, we'll show you how to easily add your products to the product dashboard. Our new customer portal has been tailored to meet your needs, with the product at the center of everything. After logging in for the first time, your product dashboard will be empty. Don't worry, adding your products is simple. To add a product, click either the plus add new product button in the top right corner, or the large plus icon in the middle of the product dashboard. A window will open listing all available products. Here, you can search for your product. Next, you can assign a unique name to your product, known as the display name. This helps you distinguish between multiple identical products on the product dashboard. For the first device, you need to enter a valid serial number. For subsequent devices, this is optional. The serial number is only required if you want to access My Documents. Once you've entered all the information, click Submit to add the device to the product dashboard. Please note that this may take a moment. If the combination of product and serial number is valid, Your product will be successfully added to the product dashboard. To download the latest software for your product, simply click the Software Downloads button. This will take you to a page listing all relevant software and firmware for your product. Now you are in the heart of the new customer portal. Here, you will find all the information about your product. Software downloads. As mentioned, all software and firmware available for your product are listed here. My Documents. This section contains important documents like calibration certificates and software licenses. If your product is not registered, a registration form will appear. If the product is registered but not linked to your account, a manual hardware verification form will appear. Once verified, you can access the documents. Trainings. All relevant training sessions for your product are listed here. Knowledge Library. All relevant documents for your product are displayed here. Related content. Special content related to your product is listed here. Help and support. Here, you can open technical support cases, make sales inquiries, or submit requests for calibration, repair, hardware upgrades, etc. The fields are pre-filled, so you only need to add your text. To change the name of your product or delete it entirely, click on the 3 dots next to your product on the product dashboard and then select Edit. Here, you can change the display name, add the serial number if not already done, or delete the product. Additionally, this menu provides direct access to product subpages. If you're already familiar with the menu, you can collapse it and work with the icons.
So after we watching the video of how to use the new customer portal, you can press the click to take me to the dashboard to proceed for the next step. Now the onboarding process, the 4 steps of the onboarding process is done. Here you have to select your product, for example, CMC 500. And so on. So you can enter the CMC 500 display name as you want, and also the serial number, and then you can click submit. They will ask you for a serial number. I will enter it. Then after selecting the serial number, you will have the CMC 500 as a product in your list. You can add many products like CBC, any OMICRON product, CT Analyzer, and CMC 356, and so on from this button, and then you can navigate the product dashboard, the software, the My Documents, which is the calibration certificate, and so on, the training available, and the knowledge library, which includes some of learning files such as application note and so on, related content, and the help and support for any technical support cases if you may have, and also the knowledge library, the training, help and support, protection testing library, which is very interesting field and in case of using the CMC device. So you need to access to the protection testing library. After you click, for example, the protection testing library, it will show you what is the application available, as you can see from here, and here is the release date and or the update date. If we have an old version, for example, we have Siemens 7UT 82 version 9.8. It's a new and it's published 5 February 2025. So you can select and filter the vendor such as EBV, for example, and then you can select also the application field such as line, transformer, and so on. So I will use a transformer in this case, and it will give you the EBP relays in the transformer applications like REX615, RET 630, RET 670, and here is the release date of each PTL. So you can simply download any kind of the protection testing template, and as you can see, here is some information you can get from this field. You can see the system requirement or the test universe software version should be 4.31 or a higher version, and also it gives you some information about the X-ray converter and the data in English and so on. the same is for the all, and also you can reset the filter and download another type of protection testing template. And also we will have here the Academy. If you have a CMC 500, you will have access for the Academy courses to learn how to use the CMC 500 and how to test the different protection application using the new benchmark in the protection testing. As you can see here, here is the e-learning plans. You can access it easily from here, from the customer portal. And also we have another types of fields, such as the knowledge library. You will find out some helping documents such as application note and technical papers and so on. For different applications, you can reset or you can filter the language. So I will choose English in this time. Then click apply filter. Yeah, it will give you the certificate, safety certificate, and it will give you a lot of application notes and so on. So you can filter here by the content type. You can filter to have application note or manual or presentation from the events, product certification, technical data sheets, technical paper, and what's new document. So for example, I will select the application note field. Then you can filter the application also. For example, I need power transformer application node or protection relays or mini power utility communication or mini fields. So for now, I will select the protection system and click apply filter. Also, you can filter the product here. As you can see, we can write CMC, for example, 356. Then you will find out application note is ready to download, and it's ready to be download to your computer, and you can use it in different applications. And also we have here the training dashboard. You can filter also as we learn from the language, from the application, and you will find out the training available. Even it's a classroom or a virtual, you will find out what is the upcoming and what is the recommended training. Such as here, we have a webinar. It's online for the advanced test plan creation for protection testing with Test Universe and so on. So thank you for all, and I hope you a nice journey and nice navigation with the new customer portal. Thank you and all the best.